Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can get rid of pimple overnight. Actually, I don't get enough time for my skincare, so I seek for quick and easy and less time consuming remedies for skincare. So I came across this method and I found it very helpful, so I wanted to share this one with you. And let me take it a little bit closer so that you can see. Okay, so I had few pimples here 2 days ago, and these are completely dried now, and these are fresh pimples, so the scar is there, but don't worry, they will go away very soon. And I tried this method and I got rid of the pimples overnight. Now if you have severe acne, or if you have very big pimple, that will take some time to heal, to get dried out. But if you have very small pimples like I had here, these were very simple, very small pimples. So I tried this method, and the pimples were gone next day. So what I did is, at night, when I was going to sleep at night, I just rubbed an ice cube on my pimple. Just rub the ice cube on the pimple wherever you have a pimple or pimples. Just rub some ice cube or ice on the pimple, and just you have to do it in clean phase. That is understood. You have to do this regime in clean phase. So just rub some ice cube on the face, and then what you should do is, you take a slice of lemon. This is a lemon, and rub, or just gently apply the juice of lemon on the pimple. Just gently. You don't have to rub it because you don't want to irritate your skin or the pimple. Just gently apply the juice of lemon and let it dry. And you have to let it sit there overnight. You don't need to wash it off immediately. You have to let it sit overnight, and in the morning you will find that the pimple that was there is completely dried out. If the pimple is big and very irritable, you will have to do this for 2 days or 3 days, I think. Yes, 2 or 3 days, because I tried this one on my husband also. He had this very big pimple over here, and I tried this one on him. I told him to do this for a day, like for overnight, and the pimple was dried out, but not completely. But today I saw his pimple was completely gone, thus the scar was there. So if the pimple is very big, or very irritable, or very you know what I mean. So this will take about 2 days, and if the pimples are very small and very just growing, you can do this at night, and the pimple will be gone in next day. So I hope this tip helps you, because as I told you, I really don't get time to make videos, and I know it might sound very repetitive, but I want to make clear that being a mommy, I really don't get time for doing anything at all. I just have to I do. Okay, I will show you what my baby is doing. He is just watching me. Wait, I'll show you what he is doing. And my room is a mess. I'm sorry about that. See, what he is doing is, he is watching mommy making video. Hi, boo boo. Hey, bunny. Hello. Say hello to the camera. Hey. Hello. So as you can see, he is very surprised. Oh, he smiles. Okay, so okay, let me adjust it. So as you can see, I have to, I have to take care of my baby 24/7, so I don't get time. So please bear with me, guys. Please bear with me. And I hope this tip helps you. And if it did, or if it does, just let me know in the comment bar. I would love to hear from you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.